Hi, I'm Josh at Sanders Street Rods. I'm really excited to introduce a new billet line clamp that we manufacture in-house. It's kind of a solution to a problem that we've run into in my shop for years when we're trying to plumb a car, whether it be fuel lines, brake lines, mount emergency brake cables, whatever it is you're doing. Currently on the market, there's a bunch of different aluminum anodized, and plastic clamps available to mount your fuel and brake lines onto a car. The part that they lack is the ability to customize the hole size. You're stuck with whatever size you buy. And that's just been frustrating for us when we're trying to make a whole car match. All the lines running down a frame rail mounted in one clamp has never really been possible. So what's unique about ours is they come with just a pilot hole in them. With our drill jig and insert, you drill the hole in the clamp to the size that you need. They also have this cool window feature in them, which is just allows all the clamps to look cohesive and allows you to see the line as it's passing through the clamp. We have 3 different sizes, a small, a medium, and a large. Each size has an insert that goes in the drill jig for drilling. The small has a 1 through 4 place, the medium has a 1 through 4 place, and the large has a 1 and 2 place. That will really get you through just about anything you'll run into when you're plumbing a car. When it comes time to use the clamps, you've selected the size that you want. You grab your drill jig, the appropriate insert. This is a small insert. Install it into the tool. Take the line clamp you need. This is a 3-hole small. You install it all the way to the handle side. Install the alignment pin through the appropriate hole. They're all labeled small, medium, and large. This goes right through the mounting hole of the clamp and aligns the 2 halves. Tighten the drill jig. Sometimes it's nice to use a wrench. Go over to your drill press and drill the holes to any size that you need. Each hole can be a different size. If you're running air lines and brake lines next to each other, it doesn't matter. For the small clamps, we just use a drill index, what everybody has in their shop. For the medium and large, we like to use these step reamers. They're 1/2 of an inch tall and they drill all the way through the clamp and deburr one side as you're doing it. There's a link for that on my website. After you've drilled them, you take a deburr tool, deburr this side of the hole, loosen the drill jig, pull the pin, remove the line clamp. Then I like to flip the line clamp over, reinstall it back in the drill jig, just snug this up. This allows you to deburr the other side. After that, you can mount them to your frame rail by drilling and tapping with the supplied 1032 countersunk fastener, or you can free mount them. Maybe you're running from your inner fender to your engine with the supplied nylock. Each one of those comes in the kit. We have plans to add to this in the future and expand its capabilities as time goes on.